go.
Yeah. All right, here you go. So you got, this is Luch again from Luch Customs and Untouchable Sounds. We are unboxing a 15-inch Untouchable Sound King Series subwoofer, 2,000 watts RMS. Let's see what we got. So the first thing you notice is your magnet. So you got a 370 ounce magnet, triple stack. My finger's cut and it hurts to lift. Give me a second. So let's go ahead and put this on the review real quick. So you got your triple stack magnet, your aluminum coil, your stencils, your spiders, your push terminals, 12 spoke basket, carbon fiber cone, dust cap, double stitch, green. I love the green. You gotta love the green. You got your high surround. So this here will be actually going in a 97 Tahoe. Looks like it's gonna actually be a really good thing. Can't wait to see it in the lanes this year. It's really stiff. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk through it and then you guys tell me what you think about it. Here's your push terminals, your spiders, double stitched, your cone. God damn, that hurt. Again, your magnet, your vent poles, your coil. You really can't see the coil right there. You can see it a little. So tell me what you guys think about it. Appreciate you guys. And if you guys need anything, go to untouchablesoundstm.com.